Man, it's 2 a.m. and we're headed for the Avengers Endgame movie. It's a 3 a.m. show. Shravan's out there somewhere buying Red Bull. After the 3 a.m. show, I think I'll get home, drop Shravan so he could nap. But I gotta head out because I have my second show, the Sahil and Kapil, which is at it's 11 a.m. show. So, which is why the Red Bull. Yay. If only driving in Bombay all the time was like this. Smooth. I'm back. We finished the movie, the 3 a.m. show. Got home. I think the movie got done with all the ads and the break in between and all of that stuff. It got done around 7. Got home at 8. Edited and uploaded my Crimson 10 Jordan 1 video. That's up on YouTube now. And I am gonna head to Sahil's place right now for the second show of Endgame. As you can see, it's 9:12. I have done a total driving time of 42 minutes. And I have another hour to Sahil's place. Yeah. Nice. Got a quick unboxing video today. Package like you can see from the stripes. Nike. Slice it open. Since I'm trying to cut down on time, if you're new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button down there and show some support. Give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, you can see chain surroundings. I'm in my friend Sahil's place after a long time. The last time I did a sneaker unboxing at his place was probably the Black Cement 3, which was an early pair, and I have an early pair even now this time. Before we get into the pair though, I got some Jordan socks and the colorway of the Red Force. Black, red and white. There it is. I'm shooting this before we get to the Avengers movie, the second show that I'm going to be watching today, so bummed out, low on energy levels, already on 2 Red Bulls like I've already told you. Okay, so we have a standard issue box like I think a lot like the Black Cements or the Infrared 6s. Yeah, but this one's a slide open, lift up box, a lid box as Kayan contractor would call it. UK 8, I went with my true size. And there you have it. The A Jordan Bred 4s. And I think they've done a bunch of reissues, but this is the first time that the black, red, or the, what is the other one? Black Cement 4s come back with the Nike Air. I was very on the fence with these ones as well, but primarily the only reason being the materials used. It's like a smooth suede or a new bunk. Picked this up obviously at retail from Nike.com. For the first time ever, the Nike India website was working proper. You have your hang tag right there. The sole reminiscent of the Black Cement 3s. You have grey hits, red and white of course, your visible air unit. You have your crown kind of design right there through which your laces go through. You have the Jordan brand with flight on the tongue. And on the reverse you have Air Jordan, which is inverted. So if you pull your tongue this way, it looks straight. Your heel lining is a lot like the Black Cement 3s, same kind of fabric, cotton-like, grey. You have your red insole with the Nike Air branding there. It's interesting because the tongue comes with an elastic band on the inside, so it keeps it in place. Like, I've never owned any pair of 4s before. This is my first ever 4, so I don't know if that's the same as all the earlier pairs or if it's something just the Black Cement or the Bred 4s have. Now, what are my thoughts about this shoe? I think they look freaking amazing. Like, I tried my friend's pair on feet, and I think the pair looks really nice. However, the materials used, they can attract dust out of thin air. Like, I've just had this out of my box now, and I can already see scuffs and dust on the surface. So I don't think this is going to wear too well in India, at least, because you'll need like really clean surfaces. I don't know if spraying any protectant on it is going to be of any help either. It looks like it's just going to gather a whole lot of dust. So that's it, you guys, like a really quick review. I think I want to slip these on feet now to show you what they look like. Until the next time, you guys. Cheese.
मैंने लॉक
Is that your phone?
कोई नहीं, बेल बजेगी तो बोल देंगे।
आप ले लो।
नहीं पापा आ रहे हैं, वो भी आ लेना थोड़ा।
Come to buy the house now.
My battery died, so I'm back home. But hey, I'm gonna eat some Doritos and then get these on my feet. I haven't even worn this pair yet. You can already see the dust particles gathering on the upper. Man, this looks like my scalp with dandruff. Damn it. It's gonna be a hard to wear sneaker. Look at the amount of dust gathered on the surface right there. And I haven't even worn it. I cannot stress enough. God, man. It's a good looking sneaker, but if that's how it's gonna look, I don't know. So the Nike Air makes a comeback after 30 years. I think 1989 was the last time that they were seen on a black cement floor.